Hello, this is my first video doing an oil change. It's my first time doing an oil change on my car. We'll be doing an oil change on a 2016 WRX STI. So here I'll talk about what I'm going to use today, kind of like the plan. I know there's a belly pan underneath or a shield guard or whatever, and I haven't dealt with that before. So that'll be interesting. Otherwise, the oil change seems pretty straightforward. But what I got recently was a couple of tools to help get some push pins out from the belly pan, and also got an oil filter. I got this Fumoto Drain Plug I looked up, so we'll give this a try. I've never heard of that. And then we got some Motul oil. So I'll talk about the reasons why I chose these. I just was reading around where I chose Motul oil because it seemed like everyone else liked it, and I got 5W40, where it seems like people came to the consensus on some Reddit threads where they commented 5W40 for the STI with the turbo and the engine, or maybe more performance vehicle, where I think the manual recommends 5W30. So we're gonna try this one. Never tried it. And then we got the Fumoto Drain Plug right here. Basically, it'll screw in there, and it's got a valve. So you just flip that when you're doing your oil changes next time. I don't have one now, so we'll do it the old-fashioned way, and then the next one we'll do that. And I also have a pipe for it for the oil drain. But yeah, we'll figure that out and put that on. And also got a X filter. Went with the X because I heard it was pretty good. It was relatively inexpensive compared to other filters like the Tokyo Roki, Mazda filters, and Pearlast. So I went with this one, and we'll give that a try. And just some of these things to help do the push pins. That's all I got. Now let's get started and figure this oil pan out. I got the car jacked all up and ready to get under and go from there. And this is the belly pan or shield guard, whatever the official term is. But there's a couple of bolts. There's 3 bolts, and then there's a couple of push pins or pop, whatever they're called. But they're right here. There's one here. There's also one up here. And then there's one in the back here, which I would recommend, that I've done some research, like watching other YouTube videos, where you should maybe leave that on, at least leave one on. And then there's a couple of push pins on the sides, maybe like here, and up in the wheel well, so there's 6 of them. Also, while I'm under here, this is basically a 12mm socket, and that's what all these bolts are. It looks like they also have, you can use a screwdriver too. So let's figure this out. Do this other one. Hopefully nothing falls out of here. And that'd be kind of gross to get something in your mouth. All right, we got those 2 bolts off are done. Let's go back here. Get this one. Okay, so we got 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Go off to the side here. So some push pins here. Oh, I pushed it back in. 1. Over here. Here, I'll show you the one in the wheel well. Hopefully you can see it. It's right here. So this is your right tire. Coming in should be this one. There we go. One more. Okay, so I finally got it off. Got all the push pins. It wasn't too hard. It's just that never done it before, and sometimes push pins give me some trouble. But you can see under here, this is underneath, we got the oil filter over here in blue, and then the oil pan with the plug. We'll take that out here shortly, and yeah, hopefully the drain plug is just a 17 millimeter, so we got that ready. And then the oil filter, hopefully we can just screw it off with our hand. Otherwise, we got this thing where it's an oil filter wrench. I got it for my motorcycle and it's great, so hopefully it fits. Not sure, we'll give it a try. All right, I'm under the car. Hopefully you can see, this is the oil pan and the filter. We're not very far in the car. Thought it would be further. So my first time. We'll just end up cracking this. Okay, we ended up cracking it, so that's good. Then we'll take this cardboard so we don't spill everywhere, because it's gonna go everywhere. Maybe what we'll do is kind of, hopefully we don't spill everything. Oh. Oh. Not bad, not bad. Let's let that drain out, and then once that is close, we'll put the Fumoto drain plug on here, and we'll take out the filter. Okay, so I got the Fumoto drain plug ready, and it comes with 3 parts. It comes with washers. Here it's just a blue one, come in a bag, and you got this, the main part, the main plug. Just put the washer on, and then there's this clip. So in this clip, how this works is, hopefully you can see, there's this lever. It's kind of locked in place right now, but you'll push up, and then you'll be able to move it over, like so. It's not too hard. It's hard for me, and then you can see through it. And then it's a double valve, I think. And there's a couple of options. There's 3 options. There's one with a short nipple, one with a long nipple, and one with no nipple. But it should be easy. And to close it, you just pull the lever and it kind of locks in place. And then there's this other thing, this clip. It's just a plastic clip where there's a little groove on one side, and then it should match up. You put this in, push it on, and it should kind of like clip into place. It is kind of right now, but you'll be able to figure it out. It's kind of hard to do this. But yeah, you just push it on there, like so, and it locks in place, locks the lever, so you can't like move it up like that and then twist it, unless the thing breaks. But yeah, that's how that works. We'll put that on now. All right, while we're under here, we got our Fumoto drain plug ready. I got some paper towels just to clean it up. Clean this up here. It doesn't look too bad. Sit over here on this side, so we can see better. And just be able to install this. Got the washer and the clip ready. Just make sure it's clean as best as we can. And kind of like, hopefully we don't cross thread. Figure, feel it going. So what I was hearing is hand tighten it, and then you should be able to get a 3/4 wrench on the body part, not any other part or this part, but the main body of it, so you don't end up breaking it. So that's all my strength I can do. We have the clip here. I'll go get a wrench here quick. I got my adjustable wrench here. I kind of, a little bit hard, it's big and I can't shove it in the engine because there's stuff in the way obviously. But you just want to turn it 1/8 of a turn here. A little bit more, come on. I can't, but maybe that's good enough. And then we'll get our clip. And we'll put this on. Make sure it's on good. Make sure we can't turn this thing. So that's good. Got that on. Next will be the oil filter. Kind of line it up. And try and unscrew this. Okay, let's see if we can aim it. It's pretty slippery. Oh, that's a lot more. We'll let it drain a little bit. Nice, not bad. Take this off now. There we go. Ooh. There we go. That's the step I forgot. Sweet. We'll let that drain a little bit and we'll come back and put the new one on. Alright, so we got our oil ready. And we got our wicks filter out. And we're gonna just pour some oil in. Just kind of like pre-fill it. I don't know how much. I've never pre-filled it, but it shouldn't be too hard. And then just take our fingers and go around the O-ring. Got our filter ready, pre-filled. Put it over here. Clean this up. So we'll take our filter here. Hopefully we don't drop it. Make sure it goes in there. It's good. And then just hand tighten it. I looked up torque specs earlier and people, I didn't read the manual, but just a couple of forums where it said around 10 pounds a foot torque. I think that's the units, but just hand tighten it. Should be good. Hopefully that's good enough. Sweet. We got our drain plug on, and we got this on, and now we'll start filling it up. Okay, so we got our oil ready to pour in. We gotta pour in about 4.5 liters or 4.75 quarts in here, and this thing has some liters on the side. Oh, I wanted like 1 liter. All right, a little under 3 liters. Getting close. Let's actually look at the dipstick. We're pretty good. Do another reading. We can probably do a little bit more. We're almost to the full mark. That should be good. Let's do another reading. Yeah, we're pretty on the money. All right, so that's enough oil. We'll close this up here and we'll give it a start. Okay, now we're gonna reinstall the belly pan here. I just noticed that I don't even have clips. I should find them. They're not stuck on the belly pan. But yeah, that was odd. We got 2 there. Let's do the push. Ooh, it lines up. Nice. That's gross. I'm getting salt in my mouth. Shit. Let's go on the other side. There we go. Come on, baby. Get in there. All right, we finally got that one in. Just use a different pin. There we go. Finally, got her. Yeah. Put these bolts on. Sweet, we're done. We're finally done. But I wanted to show this. I didn't see it on other videos, but you can see the drain pipe right here. There's a little hole. But I'll flip it right here. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. But thanks for watching. First oil change was pretty easy. I strongly recommend to do it yourself, and it was a great learning experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.